What up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel, What Up Canada. This is Sid.
This is Sherry.
So today we are at this beautiful location in Hamilton. We are at Albion Falls in Hamilton, which is 1 hour drive from Toronto. And this place is really beautiful.
So today's video is about the most requested topic on our channel, that is marketing scenario in Canada. So we are going to discuss everything about a marketing career in Canada. Since both of us are marketeers ourselves, so we are going to discuss what it took for us to find a suitable marketing role in Canada. So if you are watching this video after looking at the title, there is a likelihood that you are a newcomer in Canada and you have had a prior experience in marketing, or you're looking for a marketing career in Canada. So if you fit this bill, this is the right video for you. We are going to explain everything about a marketing career in Canada, from the educational level required and the kind of salaries you can generate from this profession, what are the top geographical locations for a marketing career in Canada, and so on. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end to answer all your queries.
So as we have got to know from research and from fellow marketeers and even from recruiters that the marketing industry has grown fourfolds during the past decade, and at the same time it's very competitive because a lot of immigrants are coming to Canada, and with the same skill set it's very hard to find a job. We are going to talk about what all factors are there to land a job in the marketing domain in Canada. As I told you, it's very competitive and it's a high demand job. So yeah, you need to be a jack of all trades in the marketing domain to land a job here.
So what are the job roles in marketing in Canada? The most common ones we have seen are digital marketing specialist, marketing coordinator, social media coordinator, marketing associate, senior marketing specialist. So all these are common terms in Canada for a marketing job role. So as Sid said, you need to be jack of all trades in Canada specifically for marketing career. What we have seen is, even though we were going for an interview for a marketing specialist role, we were expected to know everything about all the aspects of marketing, even if it was digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, PR, offline marketing, events. So you need to know everything to have a better chances of landing a job here in Canada. So what are the kind of salaries you can expect for a marketing role in Canada? The average role for a marketing specialist in Canada is $55,000 per year. And then it ranges from the kind of experience you have had before, the education level you have, or at what senior position you are in that company. If you are at a senior position, or if you are working as a marketing consultant for a company, you can expect around $65,000 per year as your compensation. And if you are just starting out and you are working as a marketing assistant, it may start from $40,000 per year.
Yeah, which is decent enough for you to start off with, at least if you get into your own field. So it'll be better, and $40,000 is not bad to start off coming to a new country as a new immigrant.
And if you are able to land up a job in a senior position, you may also get a compensation approximately around $65,000 per annum.
So a strong academic background can't be underestimated in a country like Canada. So if you hold a master's degree here, it's considered to be really, really important. But a bare minimum to land a job in a marketing domain would be having a bachelor's degree.
Also, if you want to progress in your career, it is important to have a master's or an MBA degree. MBA degree is considered an advantage to your career in Canada. MBA is given a lot more importance if you are looking for a role in a managerial position. So let's talk about what kind of salary can you expect as per your education level. If you are a bachelor's degree holder, you can expect a salary range between $50,000 to $55,000 per year.
That's right. And for a master's degree, you can expect somewhere between $50,000 to $55,000, whereas an MBA can get $55,000 to $60,000 a year.
So apart from work experience, your education level is very important for a career in marketing in Canada. So what are the top locations for marketing jobs in Canada? Starting from Vancouver at the top, then is Calgary, then comes Toronto, and then Montreal. So these are the top 4 locations where you can expect to have a good marketing career. And if you're planning to immigrate to Canada, do have a look at your prospects in terms of the geographical location and professional experience you have for deciding where to do your landing in Canada. So few questions which we have received from your end are how to prepare for an interview for a marketing job here in Canada. So we had created a full video of how to land a job in Canada. You can refer to that video. We'll put the link in the description below. But to give you few quick tips, we would say be concise to your answers when you're giving an interview. Make sure you have highlighted the important points in your resume.
Research about the company which you are giving the interview for. Do check their website, do check out their social media, and if you have some suggestions or feedback for the company, that would be really awesome, because it would give an impression to the employer that you are really interested in that role and you are like proactive in your approach to land up this job.
Talk about your past experiences and how those can help solve problems of your prospective employer. So there are a lot of organizations who support marketing industry for a career or information perspective in terms of networking and finding the right information about career in marketing. So the most prominent organizations would be flashing on the screen right now. Make sure to note them and research them on Google. There are a lot of good information written on these websites relating to marketing career in Canada.
Is a temporary job an appealing aspect for us, or we should look at only full-time opportunities?
So we would say when you're looking for a long-term job, it's okay to take up a temporary job as well, because you may not know, but you may network with some quality leads in terms of progressing in your career as a long-term job. More than that, you will get Canadian experience, which is really important for a career in Canada, because most of the hiring managers are going to ask you if you have local experience or not. So if you are getting an opportunity for a temporary job role, do take that up when you are still searching for a long-term role.
Because it's very critical that you don't have a gap on your resume, because the hiring manager would definitely ask you why is there a gap on your CV. So it's very important that you don't leave any gap and invest your time in going ahead with temporary jobs, part-time jobs, or even apprenticeship programs for that matter. Even though you're not getting any money out of it, but it's okay. You get an experience. A Canadian experience is more important as compared to you having nothing.
So what about a freelance job? Should you take that up or not? Again, we feel yes, you should take a freelance role if you are getting an opportunity, because you will get a Canadian experience, and freelance jobs provide you with a good pay here. So for a freelance job, you can work on hourly basis and you will get compensation based on how many hours you have worked on that project. So if you are getting opportunities related to a temporary role or freelance roles, do take them up and build that experience you really need for a job in Canada. So before concluding the video, we would like to sum up some important points for you. If you are a younger professional looking for a job in Canada, you having a prior experience is an added advantage for you. Having a good educational qualification will help you land a better role in terms of senior or junior position basis on your education level. And one of the most important aspect in Canada is if you know French as well as English.
Because French here is the second spoken language here in Canada, it would give you preference over other candidates since you know French here as such.
So if you have any other questions related to your career in Canada or how to search for a job or anything related to life in Canada, do let us know on Instagram or you can comment on our YouTube video below. We would be happy to help you out. So now it's quite dark and we'll be heading home, but if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you hit subscribe button and that bell icon so that you never miss any update.
Until next time, take care of yourself, your family, and stay connected.
Bye bye.
Bye.